What is happening? Oh my god. Is this the yolk consistency? What is up, guys? Welcome back to this Slimeatory! Yeah! Alright guys, today I am trying and attempting my old tutorials, that's right.
Hey Ameerah, could you remove that from you?
Remove what?
I don't know what it's called.
Why? Anyways guys, so I decided I'm gonna try and redo my old tutorials. That's like a little trend that's going on right now. So I'm gonna be re-attempting those and let's see what happens. And that's like the beginning. I was a rookie. I'm making slime, okay? So this could be terrible. But I do remember that my one of them is a DIY butter slime without clay or butter or Daiso clay or Model Magic. So yeah. And I thought that was the best thing ever, but now that I think about it, it's like it wasn't really the texture of the butter slime with Daiso clay, but it was really cool still. It was like really stretchy and really spreadable. So I'm excited and I think we can start now. And today's like my challenge be, you guys at the comment down below, have you seen any of these tutorials that I'm gonna do, okay? Okay. And then press the like button. Let's get straight on into the video. Yo.
You got yourself into this mess, Ameerah. I can help you. Oh, never mind.
Oh, jeez, there's so much. There we go. Let's skip all that cringy stuff. I think I was extremely sick in this video. That's cringy. All you're gonna need is 1/4 a cup of glue. 1/4 a cup of glue, come right out. Okay, where's the glue? Got some glue, 1/4 a cup. Okay, that's Gucci. So we're gonna put 1/4 a cup of glue. Ameerah was a professional back in the day. Not anymore. She just eyeballs everything. And then 1/4 a cup of liquid starch. That was back in the day. I used liquid starch and not borax. Borax was a little bit less known than liquid starch, and liquid starch was just easier for me to use because, you know, I didn't make that much slime, but now I make a lot of slime, so it's like liquid starch. You can't use it anymore. It's just not possible. 1/4 a cup of liquid starch coming right up. I know that this is actually like a lot. You guys are probably like, what the heck? But I think it was because we're gonna be adding Play-Doh, and Play-Doh melts the heck out of slime. So this one had to be saturated. So we gotta just mix that all up together.
What to do is just mix it together until it starts to chunk up, and then once it starts to chunk up, you're gonna have to get your hands and get all dirty.
Okay.
Because that's just what slime is.
How did I need this back in the day? I think I do remember this. So I do remember doing this and I was like, Jesus. Okay, I just realized, guys, I think I do remember back in the day when slime was just, you know, starting. They only had gallons of glue all. They never had just regular school glue. So I think I might have to redo this with glue all. But that, of course, I didn't say in the video because I didn't know there even was a difference between glue all and just glue. I thought it was like the same thing, but really, glue all is thicker. So let me just go ahead and get some glue all. Okay, let's back this up. 1/4 cup of glue all. Okay, here's a 1/4 cup of liquid starch. I remember in that video, I actually didn't even want to measure. I didn't like measuring. Slime isn't about measuring you. It's about eyeballing. This seems more like it. Okay. Okay, guys, just give me a second to knead this all in really quick.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'm finally done, guys. I cleaned the whole bowl. Here it is. Extra activated slime. I remember why I like liquid starch. It actually gave it a really nice texture and it's easy to use, so yeah. Ah! Next, I think you're supposed to put like 1/4 cup of shampoo, and then 1/4 cup
Together.
of cornstarch.
What you're gonna need is just a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and then put it into a bowl.
Okay, so it's 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1/4 cup of shampoo. Well, let me go get that. Okay, I'm back, guys. Got my ingredients. I got some suave shampoo. I don't have the exact one though. Then I got some cornstarch. Now we're gonna do this. I haven't made this in a while. It's actually really, really nice. I found it on like Pinterest. You can do a dish soap too. 1/4 cup of cornstarch. I don't know why, guys. I put blubber inside the slime to make butter slime, and how I even found out that I would do that. I was kind of just experimenting, trying to find a better way to make butter slime because that was trending. I was trying to find a recipe, and then I found this. I have no idea why or how I connected them, but I did. So here's the shampoo. Look at how nice that is. Gotta play with it first. This is gonna take quite a while, guys, so let me just go ahead and speed through that.
Many months later.
Okay, I already had added
So
my
then you want to add another 1/4 of
yeah, okay, I already added that part. Yeah, I did it in parts because it was like easier that way.
I just think it makes this easier. And then you're just gonna want to keep on kneading it until it's nice and smooth and all combined. basically just get some canola oil and put like a little bit, like a teaspoon.
Okay, well I have no canola oil, so I'm gonna have to use some baby oil. I think it should be good to use. Basically, guys, you didn't understand what the heck I was saying. First, you're gonna start out with like, for the whole recipe, it's like a half a cup of cornstarch and the 1/4 cup of shampoo. And then you're just gonna have to add, like keep adding a little by little. If the flubber is too soft or too sticky, you have to add a little bit more. And if it's too dry, then you have to add some shampoo. But mine seems perfect. Like, whoa, look at that. By the way, guys, you can actually use this to like just wash your hands. It's like flubber soap. So yeah. Okay, so I got this all Gucci, guys. Look at how nice, y'all. Okay, let me just go ahead and add some baby oil. Hope this works. Honestly, it seems like the baby oil kind of just made it less stretchy, guys. Okay, next.
You're just gonna go ahead and grab your slime that you made earlier and then the flubber and then kind of just like combine it together.
This is actually kind of butter slime how it is already.
Play-Doh bottles, I have.
Okay, calm down, Ameerah. Yeah. So I'm gonna mix that. And she said it's gonna get very messy. Okay, we're gonna add some more activator, guys. It is now a mess. A big, big mess. Okay, I like literally just made a butt slime, guys. Guys, this is literally like a non-deflatable slime. Like a fluffy slime without shaving cream. Look at this. I think I'm gonna activate it a little bit more. Okay, the last part, guys, is to add a 6-ounce bottle of Play-Doh. This is just like the 50-cent cans, okay? Now we're gonna add some Play-Doh. I used yellow in the tutorial, and that was because I was trying to make a butter, you know? And also, if you wanna like dye the slime yourself and you don't want the color of the Play-Doh, you can actually just use white Play-Doh or yellow Play-Doh. Uh-oh, it's gonna melt, guys. It's gonna melt real quick. The Play-Doh melts the slime like a lot, guys, so yeah. I did everything you said, Ameerah. Why isn't it turning out like I wanted it to? Alright, well, it seems like you can't eyeball this recipe. Maybe it's the shampoo. I did use a different shampoo. Okay, well, this is what I ended up with. Like, what the heck happened? It's just like a melty mess now. Okay, I'm gonna check. I feel like I added a little more cornstarch at the end. Okay, let's check that out. What the heck? Why did mine become so huge?
It will kind of like turn into like a little yolk consistency.
Well, mine's not yolk consistency. It made really nice butter slime, but I feel like I might not have enough Play-Doh. Maybe that's the problem here. Didn't say how much. I'm just gonna add the cornstarch now. Put it in them increments, like she said. What is happening? Oh my god. Is this the yolk consistency? Guys, I have no idea what happened. I was excited. I was like, oh, I haven't had this recipe in a while. It's such a cool recipe. I think I put too much glue. I have no idea what is wrong with this, guys, but like, what happened?
It's not bad. It's getting bigger, better.
No, it's horrible. Look at this. What is that? That's not supposed to be like that. It was supposed to go like, but like it was supposed to. I was able to put it in a butter shape and cut it and spread it. This doesn't even spread. What is this? This is horrible. Okay, guys, you guys got all what you think my problem was. I feel like I might have put a little too much glue because I did put like a 1/3 instead of 1/4, I think. But yeah, here's what I came out with. Still pretty nice, right? Yeah?
Uh-uh.
Yeah. Alright, well, let me just go ahead and clean all this up and we can get on to the next one. Next one I'm gonna do, guys, is peanut butter slime. Okay, so peanut butter slime. This is actually Slimeatory number 3, guys. It was like one of the first Slimeatories. Okay, so first.
So to start off, you're gonna want to get some glue and some slime activator. I'm using liquid starch for my activator, but you can use whatever you.
So Ameerah eyeballed this one. No measurements. Okay. So some glue, and then some activator.
Then just go ahead and add it little by little. And guys,
I'm using glue all, by the way, guys, because I feel like that's what I used in the beginning. Because the only place you could get a gallon of glue is at Office Max, and they only had glue. Okay, calm down, Ameerah. Okay, finally done, guys. Oh, it's a lot easier to make slime with liquid starch, by the way, guys. I think the next part you're supposed to add some Play-Doh. So I don't really want to make a mess on my table, so I'm going to try and attempt to knead the Play-Doh inside the bowl. God, guys. Okay, before I get on, guys, I'm going to watch the other part of the video so that my hands are free.
looks like yolk at the end. It's weird. So all you have to do to fix this is just add some more liquid starch.
That's okay.
Keep on adding it.
Okay, so we're going to add some more liquid starch. Well, this is becoming more like yolk. Can you have the liquid starch ball?
Oh, I got you.
That's good, that's Goodness, Ameerah needed borax in her life before. Oh yeah, it is. All right. Okay.
Like it to be nice.
The Play-Doh recipe changed because this isn't working out for me. I don't know why. Guys, you're gonna have to add a lot of cornstarch to this, so let's just speed this up.
2 hours later.
Okay, here's my slime, guys. It seems like it's getting better. I had to add like a lot of cornstarch. All right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and add the paint now. I just got this one. It's called Light Mocha. Gonna add some paint. I think I made my peanut butter slime, guys. I think I actually did it, guys. Look at that, guys. Peanut butter. Look at that. It literally looks like peanut butter. Wow. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at guys, it's peanut butter. What the heck? This is so cool, guys. It's actually like, it looks like peanut butter. I remember when I was doing this video, like I was recording it and my mom, like every time she walked by, she was like, oh, I want peanut butter now. I like this one. You guys should try this one out. I don't think you really can mess up this one because it's not that hard. But like, I'm not sure about the butter slime. Like, I don't know how I pulled the butter slime one off. Like, I feel like the Play-Doh changed his recipe or something, but like that one was so hard. It'd be so cool to do like a giant peanut butter slime. Okay, well, you guys comment down below, you guys like the peanut butter slime. You like the butter slime in the video, not the one that I made. And also if you tried my tutorials, and that is it, guys. Thank you so much, and I really, really hope I see you next time. Bye!